Namaskar. So today we are going to integrate Palo Alto with ldap server AD authentication, how it's working. So today I am going to show you how it's work. So first of all, this is my Palo Alto Firewall, and let me check what is the interface IP is over there, network interface. So this is my management IP, 192.168.168, and this is my external interface IP. I am using both the private IP. Okay, so now I want to this is my management IP is 192.168.90, and the interface IP is /99/24. okay, so and this is my AD server, so I have already configured it. Speaking check. So my AD server IP is 192.168.26.50, and I just want to change the gateway address. I have to use the Palo Alto interface, that is 99. Okay, this is not mandatory that you have to change your gateway, because because my local LAN is in the same network, so I need to change the default gateway, and it's going via Palo Alto. Okay, okay, so I do one thing, that I need to check that's my Palo Alto Firewall is reachable or not. 60.126.21 yeah, it's reachable, and I can check. Okay, so now I'm going to my Palo Alto Firewall. This is Palo Alto dashboard. Okay, so PING. So I'm checking both the communication from Palo Alto to AD server and AD server to Palo Alto. Ping. Okay, host 192.168.26.50. so it's reachable. Okay, so before you integrate AD, so you can check this is working or not. Now one more thing you need to check from your server, from CNS lookup. Sorry. So here you can see this is my Windows server, and it is resolving the name ifmg@google.com. okay, so it is resolving. So it is working, and you need to check one more thing, that this is my SMIT, and I have created over there is a two group. You can check, there is a one for Palo Alto and one for test in Palo Alto. there is an user is PA1 and another in test. There is I create two user, test1 and test2. Okay, and this is my domain. Okay, so now I am going to the firewall dashboard. Where is the dashboard? Yes, this is my system. So first of all I am going to the device. Okay, click on the device. Okay, come to ldap, add. So just put a name, SMIT. Okay, ldap. Just click add name, SMIT. ldap server IP address, put 192.168.126.50 and port. You can, this is a this is standard port. If you using SSL or TSL, then it port need to be changed. When you are using secure SSL TCL connection, then you use the port 636. Otherwise you using the default port that it have. The default port number is 389. Okay, just you have to uncheck this. Okay, and here you can active directory. If everything is working fine, then you can get the automatically is fetching the DL. You can use one username with the never export password. I am created. You can also use the administrator account. Okay, I am using their PAADMIN at that SMIT.in. Show you just a minute. There is a user. Users PA admin. If there is a user created one user, PAADMIN and now okay, this is the username PAdmin. Okay, and you can check the password is never expire. Okay, so I'm using and the password. Okay, I need to confirm. So I'm using non-standard port, not secure. Okay, then commit. Okay, successfully committed. Okay, cancel. Okay, now I am going to the user identification. Okay, there is an option user mapping. Okay, and server monitoring. Before that, okay, we need to know one thing, that is you need to configure there is a two option. One is with agent. For that you have to install one agent in the Windows server. The agent will communicate with Palo Alto Firewall, and with the agentless communication you need to configure WMI. So I have configured WMI in my AD. So next video I will show you how to configure with agent. So in most of the environment we need to configure without agent. So you need to configure this in your Windows 2012 server, or whatever it is, 2012, 2016, 2008, whatever it is. So in your server, so for that you put a name UID MONTOR. Okay, description, leave it. Network address. The network address will be a server IP address. Click OK. If everything is going fine, you can share. There is status that will be showing you a connect. So I am committing. Let's check. Yes, with the error. Password, account and password is qualify Microsoft directory server, commit failed. Okay, so before that I think we need to do one thing, that username, domain name, password, username PADMIN, domain name smrt.in, password Curve7 server monitor, enable client probing, and I'm not sure what is other option. Need to confirm one thing, PMN I don't. Commit. Now I can commit. Now I need to check. Invalid account. Okay. If it is so I need to use my administrator account. Just a minute, I need to check once. Okay, no issue. ADMINISTRLTO or administrator. Okay, let me check what is the issue. Okay, sorry, there is no sorry. SMRT. So I'm doing a mistake over there. Let's connect successfully. Now see, it's connected. Okay, You can see this is connected. Now I can go to the group mapping settings. Okay, so here there is so many options. Okay, terminal service, group mapping. So here we can create a group mapping. So server profile SMIT ldap, user domain SMIT, okay, and object class, okay, SMIT, GROUP NAPING, group mapping. So you can same account name. Okay, here you can search group objects. Okay, one more thing, group includes lists. Yeah, you can, from here you can check the test user, test group, click plus, Palo Alto group, click plus. Okay, you can also use so you can create custom groups, no need for that. Group mapping, auto mapping. Okay, yes. Okay, search filter, click OK. Okay, click commit. So if everything going fine. Okay, YT agent, I don't think it's created. No, it's not made. Connectivity, ID profile, terminal service agent, not required. Okay, now you have to create a authentication user ID agent, authentication profile. Now you need to create a authentication profile. Okay, click add. So here SMIT AUTH PROFILE authentication profile, type ldap profile SMIT ldap, login attribute. You have already so I'll SAM account, what is the name, SAM account database or something like that. Just a minute, I forgot. Just a minute. You can do one thing, go to group mapping, click over here, and yeah, SAM account name. Yeah, so you can copy from here, or yeah, you have to primary copy from there, or yes, you just copy, cancel, profile, add SMIT profile, SMIT profile ldap. So this is a control here. It's not working, no problem. Not working now. Yes, SAM CCO SAM account name, and here you have to change the username, user domain and user input. Okay, and the domain is mit.in. Okay, not required. In advance you can click okay. How many attempts? Account lock, 5 attempts. Lock for 10 minutes. Okay, okay, so click OK, commit the changes. Also you can change the password expiry date. So password expiry warning, also there is an option that you can change it to 15 days. Okay, now you can authentication sequence. Okay, for the authentication profile not required for type now. Okay, you can create authentication sequence, for that not required. Now I am creating one policy, security policy, LAN to WAN. Okay, so just I have already one internet policy. So there is a source, LAN, user, there is no user, so I am using one Palo test one. User, destination will be one, application any, and default exception allow users. Okay, okay, now I'm going to commit these changes. Warning, LAN zone LAN does not have enable user identification turned on model. So we have to do one thing, go policy object, because this is a older version, zone LAN, there is no option enable user identification. You need to enable because this is a older version of Palo Alto 9.0.4, so you need to enable this. Unless the user is unable to identify. Okay, now I have to do one thing, that is I am going to my test PC. Okay, so this is my test PC. I just resume power on this virtual machine. Okay, so you can check, just have to close this. Now I am not able to do anything in Google, not is opening because I have a different gateway, because this is not my firewall gateway. So just run cmd of ncpm.cpm. So you can see this is looking, this is the gateway is, so just click properties. Okay, I need to change only because this is not my firewall interface IP, so I need to put for 99. That's it. And let me first do with my local DNS, then I have to put the global DNS. Okay, close. Now I do one thing, close this and log off. Control then maybe Yes. So now I am try to cmd ping 8.8.8 still I don't think it's working. Okay, let's do a google.com. Okay, now I'm not able to connect anything. Okay, so now I need to go to my firewall. Okay, and need to check what is the issue. Monitor, no, not possible. Packet capture, session browse, can check IP address 25. Okay, unknown, so still that is not able to authenticate. So there is an option in Palo Alto that I have misconfigured something, maybe device user authentication profile. I think there is some maybe this let me check one thing again. And so I have to do one thing in my Palo Alto dashboard. I have to do more, need to provide my smid .in. Okay, commit changes. Okay. So I did something wrong. Let me check once. I did a mistake that I'm not using the my local IP address over here, operation services. So I'm using the at first I'm using 8.8.8. so this is my local name. You have to use the local DNS over here and you have to use the domain name, your company. Okay, now you can check. I can able to access Google, YouTube. Okay.